A security camera in a grocery store in Thailand caught an unusual shoplifter. The employee was trying to shoo the shoplifter away, but the long, grayish, beige-ish object took some products. It ate some of the products on the spot. The shop staff's desperate efforts were not working. They kept trying until the rare customer finally left. The elephant stayed in the store for about 10 minutes and ate bags of snacks and dried bananas. The store manager said she has seen wild elephants walking out from the Khao Yai National Park that's near the outlet.
แต่ไม่ได้ทำร้ายคนอะไรใช่ไหมคะไม่ได้ทำโอเคค่ะ
The wildlife conservation group offered to pay about 800 baht for the goods that were eaten by the elephant.